I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. I'm going to address a question today that has been a frequent problem lately. Okay, quick question. Why do kids plug the toilet? Yeah, good question. Really, why do they plug the toilet? What is so infatuating about the toilet? Well, here's what I see when I walk by a bathroom and I hear, because we never walk in, I just hear it from the hallway. I hear little kids in some of the biggest belly laughs I have ever heard from the bathroom. Let's think about this. When you find out that a bunch of paper towels makes water kind of squirt out the toilet when you flush it, and you're 6 years old, that's pretty funny. And then when you laugh, what's going to happen to the other two kids that are in there? They're going to run over there, hey, look at this, man, and they're going to laugh too. And then we're going to wonder, what is wrong? What is going on? Well, there's nothing wrong. This is probably just entertainment for them. So how do we deal with it? Well, we've got to really back up the bus and put in some policies around that bathroom. One is, if you can make sure you have those kids in there one at a time, it's going to help a lot. Because remember, the more kind of belly laughs you hear over a plugged toilet, the more the other kids will want to join in because it's funny. And they don't really understand the repercussions. So we one at a time if we possibly can. If not, we've got to make sure that if we hear, when you're walking down that hallway and you hear some giggles from the bathroom, that should be heads up for you. And anytime you hear loud giggles, kind of park yourself outside and say to kids, oh, come on, let's go guys. It's time to get back to your rooms. Let them know you're there. That's all we can do. And then the third thing we can do is that if we're sitting in our circles and we talk to kids, let's tell them right up front what belongs in the toilet and what doesn't belong in the toilet. I know that sounds silly, like they should know better than that. They do know better. But when other kids gather around and it becomes funny, they totally lose their sense of what's right and what's wrong. And that's what they need us for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.